This plant I had covered earlier few times. I first noticed it last year because those leaves I found very attractive. Then I posted it in those expert groups and all, and I couldn't get a correct opinion about it. So I just kept a watch on it. Then this year, earlier in the season, last week or something, I could get the flower buds for the first time. Then that video also I did. Then yesterday I got the first flower in another specimen. Then I posted it in the expert group. And today probably I'll get the exact botanical species name. So I will write it in the title once I get it. If it's not there when I first make the video, you can visit once again after a while. As soon as I get the botanical name, I add it up usually. Then it has very showy leaves. These leaves I like very much. It has a nice shape, and then in a sunny place a little bit color and all comes to the leaves. These lines and all are dark colored and it's very beautiful leaves. Then it tolerates lot of shade. Some couple of hours of speckled sunlight is enough for it, but full shade it doesn't like. In complete canopied places I didn't find this much, and it's not a vigorous grower also. So first flowers I could get today, and then these are the fallen flowers once the pollination and all happened. I'll probably cover this a few more times because it's a beautiful thing. And then new flower buds are also there. They have a little that type of a fuzz. Very beautiful things. Then these are the even more tender flower buds, earlier stage. So let me try to cover all the stages. First the flower buds are like this. You can see those little things emerging. Then second stage is like this, little more pronounced. Third stage is like this, small buds. Then fourth stage is like this, bigger ones, and finally the flower blooms off. I'll try adjusting the color whether we can see inside of the flower nicely. I think there is some little creature also there inside. That may be one of those specialized species that pollinates these creatures. So very beautiful. The petals having dewdrops are formed. That little mystery insect also is there. It's gathered lot of pollen. Now it is coming out. So many of these plants have evolved, co-evolved with them, some specialized species that are needed to pollinate them. So that's how it looks. Then little bit the surrounding area I'll show. This plant I found it does best in the edge of the roads. Now you look in, there is a more kind of a tertiary type of growth is there. Old trees have been cut and something has come back. Then this side there is a road that goes to somebody's property and village. In this side that sacred grove is there, which I covered, sacred grove number 2. Then on the edge of this road, this particular species has come. All the other specimens I saw also in similar locations. That means the sun is rising in the east. I think some little bit of northern light and the southern western sun also falls. So it doesn't like full shade. It doesn't like full sun also. Semi shady area it comes. So it's likely to do well in gardens. From the look of it, though it's a bigger climber, so in balconies it may be too much to expect this one to cope, but in larger shady gardens, moist places and all, very showy, nice thing. Very beautiful flowers. So morning pollination has happened, full steam. Let me try to cover them once again. By evening probably this flower will fall up. The purpose of that flower is over. Some kind of fly, I think. But just see the texture and the shape, the beautiful perfection. Marvelous. So that's something nice for today.